doesn't turn the ball over, and then they couldn't get the ball to half court for like 5.
So now McCormick, 54% on the season. Takes the first confidently, and it's a 3-point lead.
If you're New Mexico State and you go down, obviously you're down 3. You go down 4, go down 3 right now. You still have time to take one quick 2 if it's within 3 seconds or 4 seconds. If you can beeline it to the basket. If you can't, you got to look for the 3 for sure.
Will it be a 1-possession or a 2-possession game? Big free throws from McCormick.
Whatever you do, you got to go quick. Obviously, you'd like a 3 quickly if you can get it.
4-point game, 10 seconds to go. Zamora, quick 3. Good! Timeout, New Mexico State with 6.8 to go.
I can't believe, Auburn, you make a free throw, and that's your transition defense. You leave a guy like Zamora